Many of you are in your internship or you would be soon starting your internship. So this question will surely come to your mind that is it possible to crack NEET PG during internship year only? The answer is absolutely yes. Because in NEET PG 2023 itself, about 50% of the toppers were interns only. And I also got an All India rank of 29 during my internship only. Yes, it is true that you will have more stress, you will have less sleep, you will have less enjoyment, but still your plan A should be to crack NEET PG during the internship year. Your plan B should be that to crack it the next year. बिकॉज अगर तुम पहले से ही सोच लोगे कि मैं इंटर्नशिप ईयर में क्रैक नहीं कर पाऊंगा तो कभी नहीं कर पाओगे. बट इफ यू डिसाइड टू क्रैक नीट पीजी इन द इंटर्नशिप ईयर ओनली देन यू वुड गिव योर बेस्ट शॉट एंड उसमें बहुत चांसेस है कि तुम फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर कर जाओ. और अगर ना भी करो, इफ द वर्स्ट हैपेंस एंड यू डोंट क्लियर नीट पीजी इन योर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट देन नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट के लिए भी तुम बाकी लोगों से बहुत अहेड रहोगे. So it's a win-win situation. So always your plan A should be cracking NEET PG during internship year only. Now coming to the question that is internship really important or it could be avoided to focus on NEET PG preparation. Now internship is absolutely imperative. You should do your internship duties diligently because this is the first time you are going to be doctors and you would learn some imperative skills that a doctor should know, like suturing, dressing, sampling, and many more. You are going to see different kinds of OTs, you are going to get the exposure of various kinds of patients. You will get exposure of each and every stream. So you can select the PG branch of your choice. And those who don't do internship duties properly, they are generally confused about which stream to choose for their PG. And during internship, you have the broad-minded approach because you know about every subject. In PG, what happens that we become focused only on that subject. Narrow-minded approach, like I am in dermatology, so there are many diseases that have systemic diseases that have cutaneous manifestations. So if you don't have the broad-minded approach, you cannot rule out the medical causes for the dermatological diseases. So internship gives that broad-minded approach. You also get to know that how this fraternity functions and how the healthcare system of India works. And the most important thing that you need is that some MCQs are asked in NEET PG and specifically in INI set from internship only, like the vials, Ryle's tube, and many more. Now, directly coming on to the point that what you should do in your internship to crack NEET PG exam. Number one is the revision. Revision is the key to success. So तुम लोग शायद अपने ईयर्स में लाइक थर्ड ईयर फोर्थ ईयर में शायद तुम लोगों ने बहुत सारे ऑथेंटिक बुक्स और स्टैंडर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़े होंगे, बट दिस इज नॉट द टाइम टू रीड स्टैंडर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक्स. This is the time to revise your notes. So first reading, you should revise your main notes. And from second reading onwards, you should focus on your revision notes. You can follow any revision platforms. All the revision platforms are great and they provide more or less the same information only. Number two that you should do is in practicing the QBank, you should only focus on the PYQ modules. Practice all the PYQ modules of your app. If not possible, then past 5 years of NEET PG questions and past 3 years of AIMS and INI set. The third point that you should do is from day one itself, start giving GTs on a personal computer and sitting 3.5 hours in a stretch, no breaks in between, no help of any resources. And as soon as you get the result of the GT, you should analyze your GT. You can analyze the GTs consulting with your friend, then it would be helpful because you would get the perspective of your that friend also, and inputs from your friend also, and he would also get inputs from you, and this could lead to a mutual relationship when you both would reach a higher level. And number 4 is that start preparing the 20th notebook. What is 20th notebook? The notebook that you are going to revise just before going into the exam hall and in the last 10 days. So 20th notebook only contains the volatile points. Start writing down the volatile points in your 20th notebook, because after this you are not going to get any time. As soon as you are studying and you are feeling that this is volatile, write down in your 20th notebook. If you feel that you are confident in the later half, then you can funnel it down to another 20th notebook also, a short 20th notebook. What you should study वो तो जान लिए, बट हेक्टिक इंटर्नशिप ड्यूटीज में कैसे पढ़ोगे वो भी मैं तुम लोगों को बोलूंगा. चलो शुरू करते हैं. नंबर 1 इज योर इंटर्नशिप शेड्यूल. सो इंटर्नशिप शुरू होने के पहले ही तुमको एक इंटर्नशिप का होल 1 ईयर का शेड्यूल मिल जाएगा. तो इंटर्नशिप को दो तरह डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. लाइक द फर्स्ट इज द 6 month of hectic posting and 6 month of relatively easier postings where you can get much time for studying. तो बहुत सारा जगह में क्या होता है कि इंटर्नशिप का ड्यूटीज का शेड्यूल तुम सेट कर सकते हो, या फिर अकॉर्डिंग टू द रैंक्स ऑफ योर फाइनल प्रॉफ यू गेट टू सिलेक्ट द शेड्यूल ऑफ योर इंटर्नशिप. सो ये वाला अगर पॉसिबल है तो कीप द हेक्टिक 6 month in your first half and the relatively easier 6 months in your next half. हेक्टिक में क्या क्या आता है? हेक्टिक में आता है मेडिसिन, सर्जरी, गायनियोप्स, ऑर्थोपेडिक्स, एंड ईजियर में आता है शॉर्ट सब्जेक्ट्स एंड कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन. सो मैं भी सेटिंग करने का कोशिश किया था, बट अल्टीमेटली बांस हो गया बिकॉज समवन टोल्ड द डीन, एंड उसके बाद लॉटरी हुआ. And first 6 months were my easier postings, and the last 6 months just before the NEET PG were my hectic postings. But I planned accordingly. So no matter in which internship group you are, you should plan accordingly so that you can make the best out of it. Number 2 is the internship group. So बहुत सारे जगह में क्या होता है ना कि को इंटर्न्स को तुम लोग चूज कर सकते हो, या फिर तुम अपना इंटर्नशिप ग्रुप को चूज कर सकते हो, लाइक इन आवर कॉलेज ऑल्सो. So if you can choose your internship group, then choose judicious. वहाँ पे कोई टॉक्सिक लोगों को जगह मत देना, या फिर जो लोग कामचोर है, because they are going to make your internship a living hell. So keep sincere peoples in your internship group, and जिन लोगों के साथ तुम लाइक माइंडेड हो, या फिर जिन लोगों के साथ तुम्हारा फ्रेंडशिप बहुत ही स्ट्रांग हो, सो ऐसे लोगों को अपने इंटर्नशिप ग्रुप में इंक्लूड करना. देन यू कैन फोकस on the rest of the studies, or else तुम internship के toxicity में ही उलझ के रह जाओगे. Third is the micro timings. So what is micro timings? Micro timings is using each and every bit of the time that is available to you. So ऐसा internship में होता है कि तुम लोग बैठे हुए हो, काम नहीं है, या फिर you are waiting for the rounds. So solve MCQs, see some pearls. मैं ऐसे टाइम में क्या करता था, मैं अपने पहले GT का रिव्यू करता था जब राउंड शुरू होने को था, या फिर सर नहीं आ रहे थे, तो आई यूज टू रिव्यू माई GTs. सो लाइक दिस एवरी बिट ऑफ टाइम, लाइक यू आर गोइंग टू टेक द रिपोर्ट्स, सो उस टाइम में भी 4-5 MCQ सॉल्व कर लो. इफ यू यूज ईच एंड एवरी बिट ऑफ द टाइम दैट इज अवेलेबल, then you are surely going to succeed. Fourth is your schedule. You should have your own schedule. That is, in the first 6 months, you should be able to complete the first reading and all the PYQs, and in the next 6 months you are going to do is the subsequent revisions and the rest of the PYQs that are left. So ऐसे करके अगर approach रखोगे, then you are surely going to succeed. After that is the timetable. So if you keep a timetable, then it is going to be very much beneficial. आई नो अभी से 1 ईयर का इंटर्नशिप का टाइम टेबल क्या कब पढ़ोगे ये वाला प्लान करना पॉसिबल नहीं है, बट यू कैन मेक अ फोर्टनाइटली टाइम टेबल, एंड यू कैन मेक एवरी डे अ टू डू लिस्ट. सो टू डू लिस्ट रात में बनाओगे नेक्स्ट दिन के लिए, एंड द टॉपिक्स यू आर कंप्लीटिंग यू जस्ट टिक मार्क, एंड द टॉपिक्स दैट आर लेफ्ट यू कीप इट फॉर द टू डू लिस्ट ऑफ द नेक्स्ट डे. सो लाइक दिस, if you are preparing, then you are going to complete the syllabus very soon. Now hectic duties में कैसे पढ़ेंगे? So during the hectic duties, club with the easier subjects which you feel to be easier, that is the short subjects and the subjects you are confident in. So heavier hectic internship duties के साथ easier subjects को club करो, and जब easier internship होगा then उसके साथ जो difficult subjects है उसको club करो. Then there would be a balance. Try to make the most out of your internship. You should learn all the skills, and जब भी round हो रहा होगा then listen what the consultant is saying, because those things you are not going to get in any book. And I have said now that some questions of NEET PG are asked from the internship also, and specifically from the INI set. Many questions are asked from internship things also, and the things that you are going to see, that is the OTs you are going to see, come home and study them. Or the future day में क्या होगा, study them beforehand, then only you are going to get interest in your duties also, and you are going to prepare for the PG entrance exam also. Coming to the most important part of your preparation, that is the last 3 weeks just before NEET PG. So the last 3 weeks का revision is the most important time of revision, and it is the game changer for NEET PG. क्योंकि इस टाइम में तुम सारे वोलाटाइल टॉपिक्स को मगअप कर लोगे और वॉमिट कर दोगे एग्जाम में, देन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ ग्रेट रैंक, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट टॉप 1000 और टॉप 2000 रैंक. सो लास्ट 3 weeks ऑफ नीट पीजी यू शुड फोकस ओनली एंड ओनली ऑन स्टडीज एंड नॉट ऑन ड्यूटीज. सो अगर तुम्हारा कुछ हेक्टिक ड्यूटीज 1 or 2 weeks पड़ रहा है, देन it is better you should send replacement in the last weeks if you have prepared, as I have told that you have prepared completely, then only you should send replacement. Coming to the most important point, that is the stress management. So तुम लोग hectic internship duties कर रहे होगे, and उसके साथ you are preparing for one of the toughest exams of India. So your stress levels will be at the peak. So start doing some kind of yoga, some kind of HIIT or meditation. This would take some bit of time, but it would also increase the efficiency of your studying. Like I used to do 1 hour of workout daily, even the day just before the NEET PG exam, because I saw a refreshment and I saw the dopamine surge. So इससे efficiency तो बढ़ता ही है, and you get the more concentration for studying also. And guys, let's normalize taking breaks. So every fortnightly try to hang out with your friends. ऐसे करके तुमको जैसा भी फील हो, जस्ट ट्राई टू मैनेज द स्ट्रेस, और स्ट्रेस को उतना बढ़ने मत देना, बिकॉज एग्जाम इज इम्पॉर्टेंट आई नो, बट योर मेंटल हेल्थ इज मच मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो इंटर्न्स, आई होप द वीडियो वॉज हेल्पफुल. सो शेयर दिस वीडियो with your fellow interns, and I am also making some educational reels on Instagram, so do consider following me there. And all the best for your NEET PG and upcoming INI set.